we're now entering the New Mexico State, guys. So, ayan. So, nasa New Mexico na tayo, guys. At ayan, ang aking sisi friend na si Sis Aima. Kasama siya namin sa aming summer vacation. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. So, ito na yung Albuquerque, New Mexico. Haba ng New Mexico, guys. For the night, yes. Ayan, guys, nag-stop kami dito sa may Groom, Texas. Dito sa may Big Cross. Ito yung Big Cross nila, Giant Cross. Nandyan yung mga 14th station of the cross. Tapos, pupunta rin kami sa tomb ni Jesus. Meron din doon. Ayan. Pupunta kami dyan mamaya. Ganda, diba, guys? Sacred place. Ayun si camper namin. Natutulog kasi si George. So lumabas muna kami para magtingin-tingin dito sa labas. Okay. Ito, guys, panoramic. The Last Supper, oo. Pupunta naman kami doon sa taas, guys. Ayan yung kumari ko, si Sis Aima. Mag-hi ka, sis, for my YouTube followers. Yeah, Groom, Texas. Guys, ayan, guys. Oh, okay lang mo. Papasok kami sa loob, guys. Ayan, ang tomb ni Jesus. Ayan siya, guys, sa loob. May egg. Ayan, pasok kami. Ayan, ring angel. Yeah, remember, it says on the third day he rose again. Yeah.
This is where he was laying down.
And then he went up, yeah, on the third day, yeah.
On the third day, Jesus was closing the thing, the rock.
Yeah, this is the rock. This is the rock. Oo, totoo. Ano siya? Rock talaga.
The rock is supposed
Bato
to be
talaga
there.
siya. Oo. So ito, guys. Papasok kami dito. Ito yung tawag nila, the Divine Mercy Fountain. Gift shop, guys.
Like this
Well, that's from the
feels
Middle East.
like
You think they would have colors?
I know,
it
yeah.
feels like something.
You like the one with the real color, not this. Yeah.
They at least look like her.
Yeah. At least some it got this
Yeah,
one.
that's kind of has some
But
tingle to it.
one of them is really dark.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. The three kids. Yeah.
Mommy, Daddy,
We're gonna break it. Just look. Remember, just look. No touch it. I won't even touch it.
Ganda ng mga ano, santo. Mga santo-santo nila.
Mahal sis.
Mahal, mahalin. Maharlika. Ah. So ngayon naman guys, ay papunta kami ngayon ng Oklahoma State. Doon kami mag-stay for the night at imi-meet up din namin ang mga kaibigan namin doon. At ayan guys, we're entering now. Oklahoma State na tayo guys. Welcome to Oklahoma. Pasensya na at naka-slow mo yung pagkuha ko ng video. Pero ayan, nasa Oklahoma State na tayo. Oklahoma City.
Oklahoma
This is the main city of Oklahoma.
This is Tulsa.
This is Tulsa? Ah, okay.
Okay. Mommy, give me your iPad. Give me your iPad.
Hold on.
I want to take a picture of my chair. No. My sister's taking my.
That's the Air Force One right there. That's our old Air
Oh,
Force
yeah,
One.
yeah.
Which, by the way, is once again
Wow.
early November this year. I think it's the same.
There's Air Forces. Air Force. At ayan guys, yung nasa harap namin, yung may RV trailer, yan yung kaibigan namin guys, taga Oklahoma. So nasa ibang side of Texas kami guys. So dadaan kami ng Paris, Texas, tapos Texarkana, Texas, bago kami makarating ng Mississippi. Yun yung first stop namin guys. At ayan guys, naka-selfie video muna ako. Hello everyone. At ayan, nakatulog yung kambal ko guys. At yung kaibigan ko, at ayan yung asawa ko. Seryosong nagda-drive.
Mag-expect tayo ng 151. Mag-ready ka ang
Okay.
ng order.
Oo.
Ng ano.
So guys, we're now in Vicksburg, Mississippi, which means we're getting closer to the Mississippi River. So dadaan kami sa Mississippi Bridge. Ito na guys, we're entering Mississippi Bridge. Ayan. So mahaba ang bridge na ito guys, Mississippi Bridge. Ayan yung Mississippi River. Ganda, ganda.
We stay up for
I know, you guys work so hard.
So, yeah. Okay. It's gonna be really funny. It's about to.
Yan, ito yung camper site namin. This is where we stop for the night. Yan yung camper namin. Ito yung sa aming friend sa Oklahoma. Ayan. Dito kami guys. Yan yung friend ko from Oklahoma. Si Sis Lani. Ito si Sis Aima from Vegas. Sumama sa amin. Paalis kami papunta na ng Pensacola, Florida. So ang ganda dito guys, oh. Napaka-refreshing. It's all green, tahimik. So campground ito guys. So dito kami nag-stay last night.
Diyos ko, para magkain ng tubig, oh. Tignan mo. Ayun, oh.
Nice. I know, come on here, Pat.
Oh, what is it that thing?
Ganda dito guys. Very refreshing.
Ilimos na ka mag-islo mo. 3.
Heading to Pensacola, Florida now. On the way. Hi. Say hi, our driver. Hi.
This is a good
Hi,
massage.
Tita.
If we go through that bridge, that means we're
Last
almost there.
destination of the beginning of the fun, okay?
Yes.